How's it going, YouTube? I am here with Adrian, Sherilyn, and Jeff, and we're going to explain to you the joys of pocket Wi-Fi. Now, you may be wondering, what is pocket Wi-Fi? I did not know what it was until I came to Japan. When you're a tourist, you can buy pocket Wi-Fi from an airport. In my case, we rented Airbnbs and it came with the Airbnb, which is super awesome. And basically what it is a portable device that connects to the Japanese cell towers, and then you can connect your phone to it and use Wi-Fi on the go, as long as you have the device with you. So Jeff is a tech expert, and he's gonna just explain what it is. So basically it looks like this. Very small, yeah. It has the time. You can adjust the Wi-Fi settings and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And so this came with Airbnb, and the guy who owns the house provided this for us, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
So was it hard to set up?
No, it wasn't hard to set up. The password's already on the back,
Okay,
so it was
sweet.
really easy to connect all our devices. Yeah, and some pocket Wi-Fi's have a data limit, but thankfully our Airbnb guy has a unlimited pocket Wi-Fi.
Oh yeah,
So
that's
we've
awesome.
been using it a lot, especially on trains because the
Yeah.
train lines are really long.
Yeah, no, it's super handy, and like it's very confusing here, especially in the subway and all the trains. So having Wi-Fi to use Google Maps and stuff like that. So if you're gonna rent an Airbnb, check with the person who owns the house to see if they provide it. Now, if you're not staying at Airbnbs, that's okay too. You can still get pocket Wi-Fi. And Adrian and Sherilyn will explain how they got theirs.
Pocket Wi-Fi.
Okay, so how did you get this?
So what we had to do was we went onto a website where we bought our Japan rail passes. I think it was it japanrailpass.com. And then there were little tabs that said pocket Wi-Fi, and then I did a little research on how it actually works. This is it.
Yeah. So it's the same device to what Jeff had, except you got this from, did you pick it up at the airport?
Yeah. So I bought it online, and then they sent a confirmation email. It's saying that they dropped it off at the Narita Terminal 1 post office.
Yeah.
So what you can actually do is when you're ordering it online, depending on where you're actually, like where your plane flies into, because there's different terminals.
Right.
You can
Select the terminal.
Select the terminal.
That's super convenient.
Yeah. So
And-
what we did was when we got to the airport, we went to the post office and they had it there for us. So we just picked it up, and then once we're done our trip, they provide a little envelope that you put the pocket Wi-Fi and everything that came in it back into the envelope, and you drop it off at the post office.
It's like a prepaid.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So then you drop it off at the airport post office.
Yeah, the airport post
And
office
then you
before
just-
you go into the security, I guess.
Okay, so then that's super handy. So you have it with you until the very end of your trip.
Yeah, because it allows you to select days
Okay.
for how many days you are staying. So we put 25 days. So I think it was 130 that we paid.
Okay, so
Canadian.
130 Canadian in total, and is it like a price per day? Or it just gave you a price for those amount of
It's
days?
yeah, for that amount of days.
Okay, so that's not too bad. Like, I guess it's a bit pricey, but having Wi-Fi with you
It's handy.
in this foreign country where not many people speak English is super handy.
And there's not a lot of places that actually have Wi-Fi.
Yeah, you have to like in the stores, like they have it, but you have to register. You know how it is when you're traveling abroad. So yeah, cool. So you guys, would you get it again?
Yes.
Yes. There's one thing was strange though. When we picked it up, it was dead.
Oh, they didn't.
yeah.
Yeah, we had to charge it. But
Okay, that's silly. Okay, good thing you mentioned that. Yeah, but did they give you a charger?
It came with like a little
Okay.
cable
It came with the cable and a little, what's it called?
adapter.
What's the socket thing?
Yeah, well, it came with a wire to charge it. Yeah. So check to make sure it's not dead before you leave the airport. If it is dead, just plug it in the airport and wait. If you need to have it charged. Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. Cool. Pocket Wi-Fi. Thanks, Japan.
Pocket Wi-Fi.
So really, all you need to do is put your phone in airplane mode, connect to the pocket Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. Sometimes the pocket Wi-Fi, if there's bad signal underground or in really big buildings, the pocket Wi-Fi signal could be slower, but overall it's actually really good. If you found this video useful, be sure to check out my other videos. If you're a tourist coming to Japan, I have a lot of stuff you can look at that'll be super handy, especially if you don't know what to do. So yeah, check it out. Subscribe for more, and catch you later. You guys sidled in my video? These guys.